People like this who write straight can be compared to people who are always straight, like military people, the guard, security guard. No matter what happens around him, whether it's a celebration or whether it's disaster, he's going to stand straight. So what is the state of his emotions?
Strong,
neutral. You can see, strong yes, but neutral. He's not getting affected by the bad and by the good. Okay, so he's neutral. People who write like this are those kind of people. People who write like this is
progressive.
Yeah. Have you seen a salesperson selling you something across the table? Is he leaning back or is he bending forward?
Bending.
Right, So a person who bends forward like that, will have a expressiveness. People who write like this actually are more expressive than people who write like that. You can be extremely expressive and you can be a cheat. Right? Somebody asked me something.
From handwriting, can we find out whether he is cheat or not?
Yeah, very much. You asked me, people have different handwriting. People actually have this kind of writing, where they are like that also, and they are. So these people don't, how would be these people be? I mean, what is the trait these people will have?
Mood swing.
Mood swing, right? But what problem these people will have?
No purpose.
They will purposeless.
Purposeless.
There would be confidence of their whatever they do.
Yeah, but what problem they'll have? What personal challenge they'll have?
Very shifting thoughts.
Yeah, so what is the problem with that?
Okay, Ganga Gai, Ganga Das, Jamna Gai, Yamuna Das.
Yes. These people will not have problems. People around them will have problems. Right? Because you are expressive and you are reserved. Right? So I am dancing my own tune. Right? The people around me have to adjust. Right? Now I don't feel like talking, so don't come close to me. And I want to stop now, so I have to be close to you. So this is a mix of different handwriting.
My answer, how to write
Cheat first. Okay. Like, see, we started with the first signature, with the clear signature and the complicated signature, right? Now the complicated signature is hiding something. It's not revealing the details. What is cheating basically? Cheating is not being transparent. There are degrees definitely. Now, I know what you're thinking. Most of the doctors, we can't read the handwriting. Right? That doesn't mean they all are cheat. That's a different trade also. See, we are talking only on very surface level. I'm not teaching you the entire science. But when you can't read what the person is written, that person is definitely not revealing 100%. With intention, without intention, it could be different. See, like I have 1 hour now to talk to you, and you ask me 100 questions, and I say no, I can't answer you now. That doesn't mean I don't want to answer that question, but I don't have time. Okay. So illegibility in handwriting can also be like that. I am writing for some other reason. Maybe my processing is very fast. Maybe I'm a very fast writer, something like that. And the possibility is also I definitely don't want you to read what I've written. See, what is this? What is this word?
Thinking.
Why did I write like that?
Fast.
Because I don't know the spelling. Okay. But at the same time, I want you to read. What is this? It's on the border of cheating, right? I'm cheating you and saying that I don't know the spelling. I don't want to accept that. Okay. So fast writing does not necessarily all the time being cheating. There could be other reasons. But definitely the person is hiding something. What I'm hiding? I'm hiding that I don't know the spelling. If I write it clearly and I do a spelling mistake, what are the probabilities I have to face? You don't even know thinking the spelling, that kind of rejection from people. So to avoid that, I am doing this. So cheating definitely can. Yes.
So is there any relationship between right hand writing and left hand writing, or they are independent?
They are independent because writing is actually a motor skill. The hand which you start training becomes your active hand. Okay. So, if you stop writing from right hand today and start training your left hand, in the next 3, 4, 5 years, you will be a fluent left hand writer. The only problem is patience.
By birth, someone lefty.
But there are people who write equally both the hands.
Ambidextrous.
And B?
These are all skills. They have nothing to do with the psychology. It's a motor skill. It is a skill. I saw one person who can paint with left and right with that kind of control.
What was the basic instinct and technology cultivated?
Yeah. But basic instinct is not biased. It is only influenced.
Okay, does it give the level of mood that we have, that is the handwriting size of the letter and the style of the letter, size and style, and big and small.
See, there is a channel called 9X. Do you know there is a channel called 9X? Last 26th of November, there is a serial called Sambhav Kya, where they show all the things which we hesitate to believe. Is this possible? So there they created one full episode on me with graphology. And I'll share you the story. What was it? I could actually solve a robbery case through analyzing the handwriting. Okay. Like in a company, there were 80 people and somebody stole the laptop, suppose. Now these people don't go to the legal department and police and all those things for brands and name and all those. So what I did is I told all the 80 people, just write down what you did the entire day. Very specific. Write 2 to 3 pages. Like I came at 8 o'clock, 8:30 I had a coffee, 9 o'clock I did this, 9:30 I did this, 10 o'clock. So the whole day you have to write down. Now if I ask you what you did yesterday, what will you do? You will just see what is happening yesterday and tell you, right? But if I tell you what you are going to do tomorrow, what is your confidence level? Yeah, it's still to happen, right? So when I tell you write something what you written yesterday, it comes from left brain, which is a fact brain. It's a hard disk where all the things which has happened is stored. So you're just copying from the left brain to the paper because it already happened. Now suppose I have done the robbery at 12 o'clock and I can see in my mind, okay, 12 o'clock aa gaya, I have to write. Now I have to create a story. 12 to 1, I was doing something else. Now the left brain can't create a story. So the activity has to move to the right brain because it's a creative brain. The moment it shifts, the handwriting changes. And from 18 we could come to 16 people, and from 16 we actually found out the person who is done. So it's a very good polygraph test. So next time you give written letters, be very careful. I'll tell you how. See, you know that whenever you write something, you feel good. Whenever you write down, you're feeling bad. Right? So somebody tells you that, I like you very much. So that word says a lot of high thing about you. And somebody says, you are my best friend, So it reveals a lot of particular emotions also. The moment you think about something, your BP shoots. Have people, we actually say, why are you thinking about that person? It is small and fun. But the moment you think about something, it affects your state of mind. And you can't really cheat the brain. Like if you are not confident, it will show in your body. You will start sweating, you will start stammering, you will start, your body will not be stable, you will look here and there, all those things. You can't really cheat your brain. So how can you cheat your writing? It will definitely come into that. So it's a direct connection to your psychology. What is happening in your mind is on the paper. Best part is if you change the handwriting, it changes the way you are thinking. Even doctors tell them if you are not feeling good, okay, go out for a vacation, 4-5 days, you will feel better. What is that? That is the therapy, right? If you change the atmosphere, the subconscious will change. If you write in a particular way. you can actually change.
What should be the ideal handwriting?
There is no ideal actually, because